Hello children of class 8. I hope everybody is very good, fit and fine. So today we are going to start with geography, and thing we have already done with the land resources and water resources. Now before that we have already done basically regarding with the soil resources, formation of soil, soil profile, everything out there. So today we are going for the second video. Now, what is the soil resources of India? Any guess? It means that in ancient time, ancient India, soils were classified on the basis of their fertility. Okay, whether to find out whether the soil is fertile or not, whether it is well proportionate to grow the plant or the crops or not. Okay, and sterilization. So, soil are varied according to their different rocks, relief, climate as well as a vegetation. Yeah. Now, soil erosion is very important for the growth of plant. Now, cultivation of food and other crops depends only on the soil fertility. If the soil is not fertile, we are not able to grow any kind of crops. So, removal of the topsoil is known as what? Soil erosion. So it can be caused. Now this soil erosion can be caused by different factors. They are the physical factors as well as they are the cultural factors. Now physical factors, for example, intensity of rainfall, very less rainfall, velocity of the wind. Then culture factors, we have deforestation, cutting of trees, overgrazing by what? Overgrazing of the cattle, and unscientific method of farming. Clear? Now conservation of soil. It is also very important. So moving towards the conservation of soil, first we need to understand distribution of the soil in India. Okay, how many types of soil we have? So let us see. Soil types are based on the nature of the parent rock, climate of the area, topography as well as the natural vegetations of the area. Clear? And it keeps on changing according to the landscape, climate, changes from one place to another. So today we are going to learn about different types of soil. The first one is the alluvial soil. Now alluvial soil, the vast northern plains, I have already told you that they are formed by the alluvium deposit of the rivers. Perennial rivers, when they flow from the Himalayas, they deposit the sediments in this plain. Okay. Now this alluvial soil, there are two kinds of alluvial soil. One is a bhangar, the other one is a khadar. And crops which are grown here, rice, sugarcane, maize, wheat, which are grown in abundance. Clear? So let us move towards the red soil. It is called red soil. Why? I think you have seen a red soil, reddish in color, because it is due to the rich iron composition on it. Clear? So parts of Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, they all contain the red soil. And what crops are grown here? Millets and oilseeds. Next one, we are moving towards the laterite soil. Now laterite soil, it is not suitable for the extensive agricultural, but cashew nut grows well in this laterite soil, and they are found in Assam, Odisha, Maharashtra as well as Kerala. Clear? Now mountain soil is also known as a montane. So the soil found in mountains, we all know that mountains are very cold. So obviously the soil is not that fertile. So it is suitable for the horticulture, like you can grow for the orchard, rice as well as a tea plantation. Is it clear? Next one, we are moving towards the black soil. Deccan Plateau is enriched with the black soil, where its parent rock is come from the lava or the igneous rock, and this black soil contains the mineral contents like magnesium, iron as well as the potassium, and you know that black soil is very much famous for growing cotton, spices, maize as well as oil seeds. Clear? Next one, we are moving towards the sandy soil. If we say sandy soil, just guess the sandy soil. That means what? Desert soil. Clear? So it is found in abundance in the Thar desert area in the western side, and you know that this type of soil, they are not fertile. Why? Because uncomfortable zone of the conditions of the temperature as well as the climatic condition here. So due to the scanty rainfall, scanty means what? The water are very less. So moisture of the sandy soil is completely evaporated, leaving the place very dry as very porous. So this kind of soil is found in Rajasthan, and what you go here, millets are grown in the sandy soil. Clear? So we have already done with the different types of the soils as well. So very much important is conservation. Conservation means, it means to protect. So how we need to conserve? So conservation of the soil, cover is removed. Our planet will become barren as well as a lifeless, barren. There's nothing, lifeless it will become. So it is very important to what? Conserve soil. So conservation of soils include many techniques are there. Okay. So such as what? Afforestation, planting more trees are there. Okay. So overgrazing. Okay. So overgrazing, we have to look after that how much cattle are being feeded out there. Then rotation of crops are there. Strip cropping, terrace farming, contour plowing, and cover crops. So these are certain techniques so that we can conserve the soil from being unused. Clear? So children, I hope that you will be able to understand this chapter. Please go through it, and again I am telling you, if you go for the videos, always keep book with you. Okay, so that when you see the book, you will be able to understand the videos also. Okay, so till then, next we are going to meet on the third video. Okay, thank you and stay safe.